Welcome back to another episode of my trading vlog. It's an intraday update on GameStop. We are seeing a massive rally, a surge higher. I was talking in my last video, if we could get above that 26.45 level that we'd be looking for, 27.16 I think I said. We've definitely reached that retrace, and now we're pushing higher yet again, and this is where it gets exciting. This is where we start saying, hey, maybe we've got a shot at that $32 price target that I had a while ago. Where is that thing? Try the daily time frame. I think it's up there. Waiting for data. So many people are probably looking at this right now. Thinkorswim can't even pump it out fast enough. Maybe my internet's slow. Well, I was having a look here. 24, 28, 48 would be the next target based on this big rally higher. That 31.28 target, I'm just going to extend that to the right if we get a big surge, if we get in like a meme-tastic push higher. That's really where I think we're going to go. This is very exciting. It's a lot of fun to watch. We can go in here and we can do some like analysis. There's a possibility that we're going through some sort of ascending broadening wedge through here, which isn't like the best thing ever. But I want to say that we're going through a third wave extension where wave 1 peaked out here and we're looking at 2 of 3. Now we're looking for, let's see, 1, maybe 2, 3. It's hard. It's hard to give this thing an Elliott wave count. It is. It just moves so sporadically. Setting a new daily high just now above 27.17. We're starting to get that RSI bearish divergence. It doesn't mean that it's peaked out yet. I like to say that after we get a divergence like this, we typically see that break. Price might set one more high, and that would be the significant high before watching the price turn downward. This is starting to look really healthy, though. It really is. Let me see if there's not some sort of rising wedge through here. If we get a rising wedge, that's not great. Looks like we could be getting to that point now where we should start thinking about where the top of the rally is going to be realistically. There could be a short squeeze. I've never said there won't ever be a short squeeze, but it's just so unlikely. I'm going to go ahead and label my bearish divergences in red. This is probably where we're going to start seeing a top form, probably one more high. It'd be cool if it was at 28.48. That'd be a perfect C-wave extension. I'm calling it a C-wave extension because this just looks like 3 waves rather than 5. It doesn't really fit into a motive wave channel very well. It is possible that the price turns around right here. It's just that volume is spectacular. We're up 11.8% on the day. Fantastic stuff. Again, waiting for data. There's just too many people looking at it, I guess. Here we go. What's our daily volume at? Let's get a peek right here. Looks like we're at 11 million. Wow, this is crazy. Absolutely insane. But we're still going to need to see the close above 26.45 before we get too bullish. And we're also going to need to see a back test and then a new high set before we really establish that we're going to be going much, much higher. And that could all happen on intraday if there is some crazy price action. The RSI is not even really overbought yet, which is insane. That means that we're setting up a bearish divergence on the daily time frame as well. Between 6, 7, and today, I might do a few more updates. It just depends on what the price does. I wasn't expecting to get to this 27.16 target, but we did. And yeah, it's 17 here. I think I said 16 in my last video. Looking for a top now. Looking for a top. It's very possible we see the price spill out upward again. Set a new high before turning down. This would be like the most frantic wave ever if we get this push higher. Expect this. This is really what I'm expecting, is a lot of volatility. Prices getting legs. Look how tall these candles are getting. So naturally, the rejection from the next level is going to look brutal. It's going to look brutal. Looking for that bearish divergence to break, set a new high, and then we'll talk bullish price targets after the close. All right. Happy trading.